Welcome. In this session, I'll demonstrate PyConfuser, a Python obfuscator designed to harden code against analysis and reverse engineering. We'll take a small login script and apply 4 protection stages: renaming, string encryption, control flow flattening, and finally execution inside a custom virtual machine I built from scratch. First of all, I want to say that Python is and never will be uncrackable. This is just a proof of concept that you can use if you don't want anyone to steal your code. Never put passwords into your code. So that this is done, I will show you the to be obfuscated script. Our target is ritual.py, a minimal login program. It defines a constant Geheim's password, checks input via getPass, and limits attempts to 3. Here, first I will run the simple login. It checks the password. First, I will start the PyConfuser GUI. Now we will begin to apply the first obfuscation. All functions, variables, and class names are replaced with meaningless tokens. It is preserving logic. You can still see what the code is doing, and you can see the hard-coded password. I will now run it to show that it still works. Here you go. It still works as expected. Next, I will enable the string encryption, which encrypts all the strings with a key that is generated at runtime, which makes it nearly impossible to find it without any execution or dynamic analysis. Here you go. The mini VM with the strings. I will now run it to show that it still works. And yes, it still works. Now I will enable everything but the real VM. This will look very unreadable and you can't see anything at all static. This included the math obfuscation, control flow, junk injection, anti-tamper, and as you can see, a fake VM and import obfuscation. Lastly, I will show the full functionality with the custom bytecode and encrypted bytecode map. Even if you could solve the bytecode into normal Python, you wouldn't see everything what it is doing. But does the code still run? Let's see. I will obfuscate with the CLI tool, but it is the same in the GUI version. Wow, look at this code. You can't see anything at all anymore. This does not even look like Python. I now execute it. My antivirus blocked the now obfuscated Python script since it can't analyze it, but that is fine. I will run it agent. As you can see, the login still works.